Hello everyone! In this video, I'll guide you how to fix a deactivated DoorDash account with some clear and effective steps. If your account has been deactivated, first check your email because DoorDash usually sends a message explaining the reason, such as policy violations or suspicious activity. Next, carefully review their terms and make sure you understand what caused the issue. After that, go to the DoorDash help page and submit an appeal request with accurate details, explaining your situation politely and clearly. Now, attach any required documents or information they ask for to support your case. Also, avoid creating multiple accounts because that can make things worse and delay reactivation. Be patient, as the review process can take some time depending on the case. Finally, keep checking your email for updates from DoorDash, and if your appeal is valid, your account should be restored successfully. Subscribe the channel for more videos.